Today's the day. We've gotten our parts that we've ordered. So let's go ahead, unbox them, and let's go into detail about what we got. Okay, what we got here is the Tremec T5 transmission for the Cobra build. This is a front assembly here from G-Force Transmissions with G-Force internals, and the tail section is from MDL Drivelines. G-Force. It's about 80 pounds, the whole assembly. Can't wait to get this guy in. So what we got here is the NRG quick release hub. You can see it's the Gen 2. Stickers, product guide of what they sell. More quick release hubs, steering wheels, shift knobs, brackets, seats. Some more stuff on the back here as well. Cool. Put it off to the side. Got a list of cars that it fits on, and what spacers and hubs you'll need, and a disclaimer card as well for their own safety, obviously. After. Here we are. This is the blue Gen 2. Here, little foam card, spacer, more spacers and hardware as well. set. Pretty light. Operation's a little tough. I'm sure once it's on the actual steering wheel and column, it'll be easier to use. But yeah, here we go. Stay tuned in for next week when we install the Samco host kit on my Suzuki. Thanks for watching. See you next week.